This is another one-pan wonder. So, this is a fast, easy breakfast sausage sandwich with egg, made all in one pan. Makes cleanup so simple. Let's cook. I have a nice smoked cheese stuffed sausage. That's going to be the centerpiece of this recipe. Let's cut it into thin slices that are bite-sized, and we'll fry quickly. Some leftover green onion for flavor. Now, a bit of oil into the pan. It's a non-stick pan, so even no oil will work. Sausage slices into the pan. Give them a minute. Flip them over, and another minute. These are smoked sausages. Raw sausage may need a couple more minutes per side. And to save cleaning another dish, I'm going to crack my eggs and scramble them right into the pan. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Two slices of bread. Gotta work fast so the bread gets egged on both sides. Let them soak up some of the egg. And flip over. I guess I didn't work fast enough, so the egg is already almost done and won't soak into the bread, but it's still tasty. Add the green onion, a slice of processed cheddar cheese. We're not going for gourmet here, just a bit of taste. Fold the bread over the cheese. And flip once more. The bread that missed getting egg is getting a bit toasted, so all is good in the end. It smells wonderful. Serve. A dollop of ketchup, and enjoy. That was really great, and only one pan to clean. Ingredients: 1 sausage, 3 eggs, 2 slices bread, 1 green onion, 1 slice of cheese, oil, optional.